Hello everybody. So today we are discussing ester. So in the last class we are discussing about ethers. Okay, so in these differences, ester and ethers, the small difference is there. So in ethers there is an oxygen between the two alkyl groups. Okay, in ethers there is two alkyl groups is attached in oxygen only. So that is the ethers. Here small difference is ester is, so here esto group or C double bond O group is there between the two alkyl groups. That is the ester formula. So mostly ester is derived from the inorganic and organic compounds. So both esters and ethers are organic solvent. Okay, organic solvent. So here I would like to say a few words about esters. So today we are discussing about esters. So examples of esters and preparation methods and uses. Okay, so this is a very easy method to prepare. So here special characters in ester is esterification. Okay, today we are seeing esterification also. From the ester preparation means derived from so mostly ester is derived from the acid and alcohols to get esters. Okay, so how it is happen now we will see. So before that general formula of ester we are writing now. So general formula of ester is R C double bond OR. So this is ester formula. Two alkyl groups is attached to carbon esto group or C double bond O group. So that is the ester. So example is dimethyl esto or esto ester. Okay, here one and here CH3. So here two methyl groups are attached in C double bond O group. So that is ester formula. Okay, so here we write in different forms of ester here. So if it is two phenyl groups is attached to carbonyl group or esto group, so diphenyl esto ester. Okay, so and in the place of alkyl or aryl, alkyl means ethyl, two ethyls are here attached in C double bond O group. So that is dimethyl esto ester. So here two ethyl groups are there. So two ethyl groups are related to alkyl groups. It is attached to C double bond O group, that is diethyl esto ester. Okay, so it is phenyl in the place of this. And next two aryl groups. Two aryl groups are attached with C double bond O group. So this is two benzyl or two aryl esto ester. Benzyl esto ester. So this is a basic difference in ethers and esters. So in ethers we are in between the oxygen two alkyl groups is there, that is the ethers. So here two aryl groups or two phenyl groups are attached with the C double bond O group, that is esters. So before this we are seeing different forms of esters. Now we'll see the preparation of ethers, preparation of esters. Okay, so ester, so we are esters is mostly derived from the alcohols and acids. We getting esters. Okay, so esters and water. So this is a esterification process. So esterification process means so alcohols ROH group plus so acid, whatever acid you take, that means so acetic acid or RCOOH. Okay, so we getting ester formula. So this is ester, means that this process is called esterification. So when alcohols and is treated with a carboxylic group or acid group, so we can get a ester formula, mean ester. So this is process is called esterification. Okay, so this is the one preparation method. So example is so dimethyl aceto so alcohols we are taking just now. So ethanol methanol or ethanol. So ethanol we are taking C2H5OH, it's alcohol. Okay, acid, now acid carboxylic group are so acetic acid or whatever acid you take in. Now we'll take acetic acid, COOH. So we are getting C2H5 C double bond O CS3 plus water. So this is also esterification one process. So here in the place of one ethyl methyl ester. So ethyl methyl ester, this is the formula. So this is one preparation method, and another preparation method is so from benzoic acid. Okay, from benzoic acid. So from benzoic acid plus alcohols, we are getting benzyl dibenzoic ester. Okay, so this is acetic acid, this is alcohol or benzoic alcohol or benzoic acid, or so in the place of alcohol. Okay, so here water is removal. Okay, water is removal. So here to form aryl C double bond O and R. Okay, so this is a basic thing in benzoic acid. So here and next today we are seeing uses of esters. Okay, so whatever the functional group in this class we are seeing just only functional groups, so how we can prepare from that. So this is all organic and inorganic compounds, students. So uses of these esters today, so it is mostly is in fatty acids, oils and cosmetics. So whatever the some materials preparation per uses is so used in esters. And next so it is present in pheromones. So pheromones also is hormone contains also esters. So pheromones means that so it is a chemical hormones for attractions of people. Okay, so animals and human beings also. So pheromones are there. So this is ester. And next so mostly esters in naturally used in pheromones, right? So pheromones. So esters are the organic solvents. Ethers and esters are organic solvents. So these are is in liquid or gaseous form. So this is today class, and so we are seeing today uses of esters. Okay, next preparation methods from benzoic acid and ethanol. So from alcohols and acids, so we can derive esters. So this is the esterification process, right? So in a preparation from alcohols and carboxylic group means alcohols and acids. So we getting esters. This process is called as esterification. So easy methods, guys. So from this, so ester it is prepared from it is derived from inorganic or organic. Okay, so inorganic or organic. So we can get ester. So this is an organic compound, right? So this is a ester class today. So we are seeing uses of esters and preparation methods and examples. So this is a basic need to know everyone. So this is esters. So today class. So I hope all of you are understanding this method and ester preparation and ester class means examples and preparation. So thank you guys for understanding this formula and preparation methods, how we can prepare. So these are the common functional groups here. Okay, functional groups are very easy to know, but we can write in different forms, so by our creativity. So these are basic concepts in organic chemistry. Okay, so some compounds we are deriving from inorganic also. So like urea. So urea, it is inorganic or organic, means organic. So before this inorganic, so inorganic, but when it is means a rearrangement takes place. So rearrangement takes place, it converted into organic compounds, that is a urea. Okay, so RC means NH2 double bond C double bond O NH2. So that is the urea formula. So this is the basic things. So to it correlated with organic and inorganic compounds, right? So this is today class ester. So thank you. Do subscribe my channel finally. Thank you guys.